don't have Alex the back full Reed here this year. He is retired.
Johnny's only adult.
And being defeated last year. So we have a new group, and you'll have a new reigning champion coming from here.
Johnny's
so
only adult.
I'm going to let everyone do a quick
Nice.
intro, just say their name, and then we'll get started.
I'm Johnny.
Chingas.
Oh, Johnny Chingas!
Johnny Chingas!
Elijah Salcido.
Bryn Mac Williams. I'm Brooklyn Valentine.
Johnny wants his own crowd.
All right, now real quickly, the rules. We're gonna have a minute to eat the pies. Hands behind your back. No using your hands unless it's to reposition the pie. You can't hold it to your face. And that's pretty much it.
Let's go, Johnny!
So, I am going to start the countdown, and I'll do a 5 count, and then let everyone go. So let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
He dived in it.
Get that, Johnny! Get it! Get that, Johnny! Get that, Johnny!
Puro Garza! Puro pinche Garza!
Wow.
Puro Sanchez right there.
All right, we have about 30 seconds left.
You got it. Johnny, you're winning. Just take it easy. Take it slow.
Chingas, you're losing!
You got this, bro. You got it. That little girl's doing good over there too, though. Look at her.
All right, we're down to the last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Johnny!
All right, let's do a quick
Is that your man right there?
Yeah, my cousin Johnny. He dusted it. He dove right in there. You see that? Look at that.
Pit the trade.
Yeah. Why even judge it? Don't even. We need to do like an adult content, adult section now.
Yeah, no holds barred.
Johnny, were you planning on this? Were you planning on this? He didn't eat for 2 days.
And on the way, we're on the scale.
Yeah, we need to bring a scale from now on because it's too close.
You pick this one? Okay, you're the decider. You're the tiebreaker.
Want a baby wife?
Can I get your autograph?
For the winner!
Oh, wow, we have a winner by split decision.
Johnny!
So, first of all, in third place, we have...
Nice job!
All right, well, this is really close between these two, but after a split decision, we have in second place, we have Elijah Salcido.
Yeah! Good job!
And then the winner of this year is, again...
Johnny Chingas!